As you can see, the man who is probably addicted is trying to enter the house in front of the door, but the house is not his house. It is unknown what is happening, but the SWAT team is after something. Two thieves came to rob a car, unaware of what was happening. While one person is looking for something inside the car, the other comes and hears a noise inside the car. Suddenly, they hear the sound of the owner's dog, and they quickly run away. A person who is trying to steal, unaware of what is happening, sees the cargo in front of the house, enters the garden of the house, and heads towards the door. When he sees that the doorbell camera is not working, he thinks that there will be no problem, but the camera is on top. It is certain that the suspects, who engaged in a long chase with the police, attempted something very dangerous. The police, who received notice of a pervert wandering around the neighborhood, went to the house where they received the notice, and the woman said that her bathroom was in front of her window.
Yeah, I was in my bathroom this morning, and I saw, just happened to look toward my bathroom window, and I saw a shadow, a tall black guy with a baseball cap on. I checked my video, but I don't know he come from the side, but when I hollered.
A young man long ago set his sights on his neighbor's bicycle, and now he's stealing it. What was he thinking? Why would you steal a stroller? Have you ever thought about what will happen to the family's child while stealing it? It's as if this man has exaggerated his cargo theft. As if stealing one or two wasn't enough, he also takes all of their cargo and runs away. The mischief of spoiled children had fun by banging on the garage door. Two thieves had their eyes on something in front of the house, and after a long effort, they managed to get it out. One of the men started to load it into a wheelbarrow and take it away. The man next to him came back and checked to see if they had forgotten anything behind them, or if they had been recorded with a camera, but he did not use the doorbell camera. Overlooked.
cigarette.
Those who came to a hostile-style place were looking for the man they were arguing with. As soon as they saw the door number, they started kicking the door and entered. At first, a man tried to take something from the box so that nothing could be understood, but when he could not get it, he carried the box on his back. When the police realized that something was wrong at home and the man's tone was different, they arrested the man.
Put that phone down. Put on the chair for him. Myers. Sit up here against the wall for him. Right up here against the wall. Turn around. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back for me. Homeowner? Oh, yeah. All right, we'll come talk to you in a second. 132. Do you see anybody else? We'll come check it out.
You realize that thieves are fully equipped to break into a store. When the shop alarm went off unexpectedly, the thieves did not know what to do. One of the thieves intended to rob the shop. Someone should warn this man not to steal an off-road vehicle bigger than his size.
Where do you live at? Yes.
The police took the child into questioning stage after suspecting that he was collaborating with a drug gang.
Okay. Why are you on some random person's porch?
It's ridiculous to walk around with a huge gun. Doesn't anyone report it?
You know I got smoke on this bitch, but I can't wait.
Hey, look, dog. Look. Look. If you try to shoot me, dog, I'm gonna kill you, all right?
Although it is not known exactly what happened here, the man's disrespectful approach to the police stands out. The police repeatedly ask him to raise his hand, but the man does not do what they say.
Your hands. Your hands. Your hands.
What could you have done? There must be a bomb on him or something. Helicopters are flying or something, and there is a meaning in having so many police officers. Lots of police officers are heading towards the man. What do you think the man might have done?
Okay? We still got it clear. Okay? We still got it clear.
When the man finally gives up, the police arrest him.
Okay, well, you... check that one.
Let's bring him back over here.
Well, you need to break into it.
All right, got it. Yeah, we're gonna
All right, lock this way a little bit. Careful.